How to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our WhatsApp, and once you're here, you need to tap on settings icon located in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on chats option over here. Once you're here, you can see an option that says chat backup. Simply go ahead and tap on that. As you can see that the backing up has been started on your iPhone. Now you need to simply tap on auto backup option. If it is ticked to off, you need to simply go ahead and change it to daily, weekly or monthly as per your wish, and once you do that, your chat will be now backed up. You can do it on the other way. You need to head over to your settings. From here you need to tap on your iCloud. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and tap on iCloud over here. From here you can see an option that says iCloud backup. Go ahead and tap on that. Then you can see an option that says backup now. Go ahead and tap on backup now. And once the backup is completed, it will help you restore WhatsApp messages. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.